One small step for humanity, but a giant leap for machine kind. Absurd Industries, in partnership with the Artemis program, is deploying a swarm of autonomous rovers to the lunar surface. Say hello to LUN-E. Equipped with state of the art navigation, terrain analysis, our engineers have achieved what physicists said was impossible: zero latency Earth to Moon communication. And now, this is where you come in. Our rovers are smart, arguably too smart. They've started having opinions. One of them wouldn't cross a crater because, and I'm quoting from the logs here, it doesn't feel right. So we're handing over the controls to you, a human on Earth. Because here's what we know about you. When a cute tiny robot is stuck on a hill on the moon, you will figure it out. Just look at those eyes. So visit LUN-E.absurd.industries. Take the controls. Help a rover. See the moon.